So you are a die-hard fan of Marvel and you want the same exact logo like Marvel. So to make a logo like Marvel, stick to this video till the end. Hi guys, my name is Simon and in this video I'll show you how you can make your own logo like Marvel. So without further anything ado, let's begin. So in this video I'll show you two different methods to make a logo like Marvel without any software. So first of all, you have to open up your browser and head to canva.com. If you have an account on the canva.com, then I would recommend you to sign in, and if you don't have an account, then create an account from here. So after that, click on custom size to make a logo like Marvel. So after that, you have to enter the width and the height of logo. So basically the size of logo is 800 by 800. And after entering the value, click on create new design and it will redirect you to another page. By the way, the Canva is completely free and you don't have to pay a single penny to download the image from canva.com. So it will redirect you to this page, and after that click on the background and from there click on this color icon and click on add new color, and from there choose the red one because the Marvel logo is like red but not too much red. Okay, so I think this is perfect. So after that click on text and click on add a heading. So here I'm just gonna give my name here, and if you want to give just Marvel Studios then you can give, I don't care. And now is the important part, which is to select the best font from here. If you want an exact logo like Marvel, then I would recommend you to download the Marvel regular font. I'll put the link in the description below. You can download it from there. So after downloading that font, click on this drop down list and from here click on upload a font. So to upload a font, you will need a premium membership in this website. So if you can afford it, then I would recommend you to go through it and upload your font here. But if you can't upload your font here, then I would recommend you to use these fonts. These fonts are very useful. So this is the font which just looks like the comics. Let's change the color to white and you will see it better. So as you can see, the logo is more like the Marvel comic logo. So if you like it, then use this font, which is the Bangers. If you don't like it, then change it to any other font you like. But I recommend you to use these 5 fonts. In my opinion, these 5 fonts are amazing for me. I don't know it will work out for you or not. You have to find it out yourself, what is best for you. So this is the first method to make a logo like Marvel. So to download it, simply click on this download button and from here choose the PNG. By default it will be PNG. That's a very good option here. So click on download, and if you want to save your download setting in the Canva, then check it. So in my case, I'm not gonna save my download setting here. So just click on download and here is our logo downloaded. So our next method is to use the Adobe Spark to make a logo. You can use Adobe Photoshop online if you can. So I'll use the Adobe Spark here. So Adobe Spark is free to use. So Adobe Spark has 3 different pricing, which is the free and the monthly and the yearly. So I'll go with the free plans here. So after coming to this website, the adobe.com, click on the create your logo now. But remember that in order to upload your own font here, you will also need a premium membership. So if you have a student email ID or anything else, then you will get some discount here. So it will ask you to give more information about yourself. So I have already entered it. So after that, click on next. And here you have to choose the style. So in order to create a logo like Marvel, go with the bold and click on next. And after that again, click on next. We don't want that. And it will give you some template here. So if you want a circle logo, then go with this. But we don't want that, so we'll go with this one. So here click on customize more and it will redirect you to another page. So let's wait for it a little bit. So click on continue. So after coming to this, we have to customize it a little bit more. So first of all, we have to change the background color. So click on the background and from here on this edit background, click on the customize this here, customize icon, and from here we have to choose the color. Go with the red one. So I think this is the perfect background red color for Marvel logo. So after that, click on anywhere to close that. So after that, we have to change the text here. So first of all, we have to remove the slogan from here. Click on that and press delete on your keyboard. And now we have to change this text. So in order to change the text, click on the text again. From here we'll give our name. If you wanna give a Marvel name here or the Marvel Studio name here, then go for it. So let's go with the Marvel Studio, and from here I will choose the color to white for now. So from here we have to choose the fonts. So go with this font, which is the Bebas Neo Regular. And if you want to go with another fonts like this, you can go with this. They are also good. So I'll go with the Bebas Neo Regular. So after selecting the font, we have to make it a little bit bigger. So let's change the font to, let's say, 105. So it doesn't work out, so we'll give 200 or 250. That's too much. So let's give 220. Okay, that's okay. So you might be wondering that in the Marvel logo there's a solid background or a stainless steel background on the Marvel here. So for that we'll need to cut this text. So I'm just gonna delete the Marvel from here and I'll place it here. So in order to add the Marvel here again, Marvel text here again, click on the text and click on add your text. So here we'll give Marvel. Font is the Bebas Neo and make sure the font size is same. So I'll place it here. So we have to add this stainless steel background, right? We have the photo here. So I'll click on the upload photo. So I'll put the link in the description below. You can again download from there also. The photo is like this, but we have to adjust it for our purpose. So click on that again, and from here click on the crop and shape, and let's crop it only the stainless steel background. We don't want the white background in the back side, so make sure that there is no white color in there and click on done. So as you can see, now it's cropped, and let's make it a little bit bigger. So again I'll crop it like a rectangle and again click on done. And now we have to add our text in there. So as you can see, if I drag the text over the stainless steel background, you will see that the text has gone into the background. So in order to fix this, I will drag down the text here. So from the layer I will drag the Marvel above all them. So now if I drag this Marvel text over the stainless steel, you will see that this is not going under that. So here we have to choose the text color that looks like the background. So click on this eyedropper here and select the red color from the background. So after that, if you want, you can change the background color, and if you want the logo like this, then you can just click on this download button and download the image. But if you want to change the background color, like me, I'm gonna change the background color to all the way to the white. So as you can see, the studio is now invisible. So in order to bring it back, simply I'll click on that, and from the text color I'll choose the red one again. So as you can see, our brand new Marvel logo is now ready, and you can use it anywhere you like. But under here you can see there's a Adobe Spark watermark. So to remove that, first of all you have to download it. So let's download it by clicking on the download button here. Click on the PNG and click on start download. So I would recommend you to use the transparent PNG, not with the solid color. So click on transparent PNG. So to remove the watermark from the Marvel logo, you just have to do one thing, which is to crop the image. Let's edit it in the photos. So in the photos, click on this crop icon here, crop it from there so that there is no watermark in the logo. And after that, your logo is completely ready for using anywhere else like YouTube or any other platform you want. So these were the two different methods to create a logo like Marvel Studio. So if you like this video, then make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel to get more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, watch our previous videos.